Hey guys, so I thought it would be cool to just come on and do a nighttime routine for you guys. Drew is upstairs right now with my sister, and I just have to clean up, make dinner, and all of that before Dominic gets home. So stay tuned. What? What do it look like? Oh, heck no, what? Like, what did you, where are you going? Where are you going?
I gotta get some food, honey, and I gotta go print my things off the food.
Well, where you get the clothes from? Why you didn't give me one? That's rude. I know. I'm like, why wouldn't she buy me one? You didn't even offer to buy me one. Why wouldn't I want a closure? I wear wigs. That don't even make sense. Have you ever watched one of those?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah.
It'll be set up.
Jasmine, before you go, take this hair stuff upstairs and that comb over there and that plastic if you don't want to put it in the garbage. Oh wait, ain't no bag in the garbage. But if you want to put a bag in there. Hello? They talking about they want me to meet up with them and give them their little charger back and the little tablet I got. You guys, Android. I don't even use that boy like they act like I'm pressed. Yes, they did, girl. Like I'm pressed tablet.
That $80 tablet.
It probably didn't even cost that much. I never even used that boy except for to play games.
Yeah, Kindle Fire.
Right. Like that ain't even no Amazon. Like. Hey guys, so I just wanted to come on and first of all apologize for the language that you just heard. Secondly, I wanted to explain what was going on. I was talking about a company that I no longer work for, and I just felt as though they weren't treating me what I was worth. And I felt like it was time to move on to bigger and better things. I can explain more about that in a different video if you want, but I'm gonna just let you guys get back to the reason that you're here. So guys, on a regular day, I would have already taken the chicken out of the freezer so that it could be thawed by now. And so I have the chicken in the water. That's what I gotta do tonight. But yeah, I had a long day today, and I forgot to take it out the freezer. And so yeah, this is where we are. I'm gonna finish sweeping, get some food, some dinner ready for Drew, so it'll be ready when he starts that food. And then I'll clean my living room, and by that time, I'm hoping the chicken will be kind of ready. I don't know. This is done. Say hi. Hello. Hello, people. Turn on some TV. for Drew, and I'll come back on when the chicken's ready to be cooked. Talk about he really crying though. He's talking about he really crying though. Now you see me preparing to season the chicken. I always start with one side and then put it in the pan and move to the next. You saw me have garlic salt. That was black pepper. Next is garlic powder. And then I have a special seasoning. Chicken and poultry rub. Laurie's chicken and poultry rub. I'm telling you guys, if you don't have anything else, you want to get this. I got it from Sam's Club and it's literally the best. So we got the chicken in the pan. Y'all, for some reason my skillet, like all the oil always sifts to this side for some reason. I don't know if my skillet is, I mean, you see it's kind of dented over here, but I don't know if it's unleveled or what. But anywho, we got the great value shells today. This is what we got for today. We got the water boiling, and I'm gonna make some corn or broccoli with this, but I haven't decided yet. So yep, I seasoned the one side, then I put them in with the tongs, and then I seasoned the other side, cleaned up my little area, put the seasonings up. If you saw me pouring water in here, I keep water on the side. I just have this upside down because I want to use the rest of this honey. But we keep water, well, I keep water on the side because I do live in the city of Flint. I don't know if anybody knows where that is. And, you know, you can do your research about Flint and the water, but they claim that everything is together, but I don't think that it is. And here's that puppy. Here's that puppy. Say hi, people. Hi. Yay. No, it's fairly new.
They got this 1975 theme music right there.
Okay guys, so I'm at Walmart right now. It is 10:22. I'm here because I forgot to get the baby's milk, and yep, he had dinner. He had sweet potatoes mixed with infant oatmeal, organic infant oatmeal, and he's definitely gonna want a bottle for bed. I can't even try not to get the milk. Like, That's dead. And he's definitely gonna want one when he wakes up at 5 a.m. because he's pretty much kind of on a schedule. So let's get to it.